I'm Kaustubh and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to tell you about Meghalaya. So let's begin. Meghalaya is a state in northeast India. Meghalaya was formed on 21st January 1972 by carving out two districts from the state of Assam, the United Khasi Hills and the Jaintia Hills and the Garo Hills. The population of Meghalaya as of 2016 census is estimated to be 32,11,474. Capital. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. This capital city is a hill station in northeast India and is famous for its manicured gardens. Lady High Dairy Park, Words Lake is situated nearby, which is surrounded by walking trails. North of it, the Don Bosco Center for Indigenous Cultures features displays on the region's native people. Some of the waterfalls include the Elephant Falls to the southwest. East of here, forested Shillong Peak offers city views. Government. The government of Meghalaya, also known as the state government of Meghalaya, is the supreme governing authority of the Indian state of Meghalaya and its 11 districts. It consists of an executive led by the governor of Meghalaya, a judiciary and legislative branch. Currently, Satyapal Malik is the governor and Conrad Sangma is the chief minister. History. 1835. British incorporated Meghalaya into Assam in 1835. 19th century. Khasi, Garo and Jaintia tribes had their own kingdoms before they came under the British administration in 19th century. 1905. When Bengal was partitioned on 16th October 1905 by Lord Curzon, Meghalaya became a part of the new province of Eastern Bengal and Assam. 1912. However, when partition was reversed in 1912, Meghalaya became a part of the province of Assam. 1947. At the time of independence of India in 1947, present day of Meghalaya constituted two districts of Assam and enjoyed limited autonomy within the state of Assam. 1960. A movement for a separate hill state began in 1960. 1970. The Assam Recognition Act 1969 accorded an autonomous state of Meghalaya. The act came into effect on 2nd April 1970 and an autonomous state of Meghalaya was born out of Assam. 1971. In 1971, the Parliament passed the North-Eastern Areas Recognition Act 1971, which conferred full statehood on the autonomous state of Meghalaya. 1972. Meghalaya was formed on 21st January 1972 by carving out two districts from the state of Assam, the United Khasi Hill and the Jaintia Hill, and the Garo Hills. This day, the Meghalaya attained full statehood with a legislative assembly of its own. Rivers. Meghalaya has many rivers. Most of these are rain-free and seasonal. The important rivers in Garo Hills region are Ganol, Daring, Sanda, Bandra, Bugai, Dareng, Simseng, Nitai and Bhupai. In the central eastern sections of plateau, the important rivers are Khari, Digaru, Umiam, Kinshi, Mavpa, Barapani, Umngot and Maindadu. In the southern Khasi Hills region, these rivers have created deep gorges and several beautiful waterfalls. Climate. The climate of Meghalaya varies with the altitudes. The climate of Khasi and Jaintia Hills is uniquely pleasant and bracing. It is neither too warm in summers nor too cold in winters. But over the plains of Garo Hills, the climate is warm and humid. Except in winter, true to its name, the Meghalaya sky seldom remains free of clouds. The average annual rainfall is about 1,150 centimeters. Language. English is the official language of Meghalaya. The other principal languages are Khasi, Garo, Panar, Biet, Hajong, Assamese and Bengali. Khasi is spoken by the majority and is also the traditional language of Meghalaya. Religion. As per Census 2011, Christians are majority in Meghalaya state. Christian constitutes 74.59% of total population of Meghalaya. Christian formed majority religion in 7 out of 7 districts of Meghalaya state. Popular festivals. Shad Suk Mainsiem, Nongkrem Festival, Beh Dien Khalam Festival, Shad Shukra, Wangala Festival. Dances. Shad Suk Mainsiem or Viking dance, Shad Nongkrem or Pomblang Nongkrem, Doregata, Wangala, Lahore dance, Beh Dien Khalam dance, Pomelo or Chambil Mesara dance. Famous dishes. Jado rice, Nakambichi, Dokliye, Pumaloi, bamboo shoots, momo. Occupation. Meghalaya is basically an agriculture state with about 80% of its population depending entirely on agriculture for their livelihood. Nearly 10% of the geographical area of Meghalaya is under cultivation. Culture. The main ethnic communities of Meghalaya include Khasis, Garo and Jantia. It is believed that people from these communities came to Meghalaya from Southeast Asia. The people of Meghalaya are known for their cheerful nature and adaptability. Tourist places. Some of the tourist places of Meghalaya are Cherrapunji, Balpakram National Park, Shillong, Elephant Falls, Living Root Bridge, Mollylong Village, Noklai Falls, Tura, Kaileng Rock, Umiam Lake. Cherrapunji. It is one of the wettest places on earth. It's also the place that receives the highest rainfall in India. The Dane Thelen, Kinrem and Noklai waterfalls are the most popular waterfalls of Cherrapunji. The major attractions of this place include Living Root Bridges, Mosmai Cave, mesmerizing waterfalls, Eco Park and the Garden of Caves. Balpakram National Park. Balpakram National Park is also referred to as the Land of Spirits, where one can easily get to spot animals like red panda, wild buffalo, elephant, tiger, deer, leopard, wild cow, marbled cat, etc. It is also a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers. Shillong, the capital city of Meghalaya, is fondly known as the Scotland of the East. It has the forest hills, pleasant climate, scenic beauty, which attracts many tourists and trekkers from around the world. Khirem, Myliam, Maram, Bhowal and Langrim are some of the local tribes residing here. Elephant Falls. The amazing waterfall has an elephant-like stone at its foot and hence obtained its name, the Elephant Falls. This is also one of the most popular falls in the northeast and is one of the most mesmerizing places in Meghalaya. Living Root Bridge. The Living Root Bridge is a 3-kilometer long bridge at height of 240 feet situated in Cherrapunji and is one of the most visited places of Meghalaya. It has also a distinction of being the oldest natural bridge made around 200 years ago. Mollylong Village. The Mollylong Village is located in East Khasi Hills and is one of the most exotic locations in Meghalaya. It also takes pride of being the cleanest village in Asia. Noklai Waterfalls. The Noklai Waterfalls has the distinction of being fourth most noteworthy waterfalls on the planet. It falls from about 335 meters from a verdant cliff to ground and forms a tidal pool, giving the depiction of gigantic and extraordinary heavenliness. Tura. Tura is one of the most visited places in Meghalaya because of its serene environment. It is located in Garo Hills. It is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. Its undisturbed biodiversity and mountainous green landscape attracts many tourists. Nokrek National Park and Siju Caves are notable attractions for visitors in Tura. Umiam Lake. The man-made lake is situated at about 15 kilometers from north of the Shillong. The lake was formed while a dam was constructed here to produce hydroelectric power. The picturesque and stunning Umiam Lake is enclosed by lavish green East Khasi slopes. The dawn at the lake is a treat to eyes. Visitors take a long boat ride in the lake and also enjoy drifting and different water sports. Facts you should know about Meghalaya. Total area 22,429 square kilometers. Total population as per 2011 census 29,64,007. Population density 130 square kilometer. Literacy 75.84%. Official language English. In Sanskrit, Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Britishers nicknamed this region as the Scotland of East. English is the official language of Meghalaya. The other principal languages are Khasi, Garo, Panar, BA, Thajong, Assamese and Bengali. The state is the wettest region of India, recording an average of 470 inches of rain a year. About 70% of the state is under forest. The town of Mawsyndram in Khasi Hills south of capital Shillong holds the world record for most rain in a calendar month. Here I have written some information on the folk dances of Meghalaya. If you wish to read, you can pause the video and read it. Thank you. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. Thank you, bye and have a nice day.